Hello and welcome to the first lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate around Excel. We'll start by looking at some basic Excel terminology. I will then go through the ribbon interface, and then looking at the quick access toolbar. We'll then move on to looking at, in basic detail, the formula and the status bars, moving to the file menu, and then finally, we'll finish the lesson by sharing some useful tips that will hopefully help you throughout the course. Let's have a look at the terminology. When we think about spreadsheets, there's two components, workbooks and worksheets. Workbooks are essentially any Excel file. They're made up of smaller components called worksheets. So when we first open Excel, when you start a new document, Excel by default gives you three worksheets. Okay, you can see them at the bottom as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Each worksheet is made up of a collection of rows and columns. This is where you enter your normal data. Rows go horizontally and columns vertically. A good way to remember is columns are what you might find in Greek colosseums, so they always have to be vertical.